Good morning guys, it's my second day here in Niagara Falls and today I'm going for a bit of an adventure. If you didn't know, there is this bridge that connects the Canadian side of the falls to the American side of the falls and I'm going to try and cross over today. On the other side of the American falls is New York State and I haven't been there yet, and it is an international border, so I'm bringing my passport and my Canadian work permit as well to make sure I get over and back. So I'm really curious to see how this goes, and I really would like to see what the falls look like on the American side, and should be a really good day. So I'm just walking by the falls now, and you can see them behind me. And there's very little people here. It's still quite early in the day. It definitely looks like there was a fresh blanket of snow, and everything just looks so pretty. Insane. I actually can't get over this. I am on a bridge walking over to the US. This is crazy. To get on the bridge then you need $1, so you can either use a Canadian dollar coin or 4 quarters in Canadian or American. It takes both. But this is just insane. Like, that's the border to the US. There's Canada and that's the USA. This is crazy. I'm literally in the middle of the border right now. I made it. I am currently in New York State. This is so weird. So at the border I actually needed to get a new stamp since my last stamp had expired. I had to pay $6. So in total the whole crossing cost me $7, which isn't too bad. Over the pedestrian bridge. I'm going to Goat Island, which is the island just in between the American Falls and the Horseshoe Falls as well. And I'm really liking it over on this side. It's a lot more green and natural, whereas over on the Canada side it's a bit more built up. I also noticed as well there's a lot more squirrels on this side. Walking around the Clifton Hill area, and it's kind of a very touristy kind of area. It has fun houses, gift shops, bowling alleys, that kind of stuff. It actually feels like a carnival. Guys, for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit subscribe and also leave a like on this video as well, because it really helps my channel to grow. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.